Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I teach you Chinese grammar in a fun and easy way. Today we are going to look at a very common sentence that you might hear in the morning. 该起床了. This sentence has three parts. 该起床 and 了. Let's break them down one by one. 该 is a modal verb that expresses obligation or necessity. It means should or ought to. It is often used before another verb to indicate what one should do. 起床 is a verb phrase that means to get up or to wake up. It is composed of two characters, 起, which means to rise or to start, and 床, which means bed. Together they form a compound word that describes the action of leaving the bed. 了 is a grammatical particle that has many functions in Chinese. In this sentence, it is used to indicate a change of state or situation. It shows that something has happened or is about to happen. It can also add a sense of urgency or emphasis to the sentence. So, putting it all together, we can translate this sentence as you should get up now, or it's time to get up. It is a common way to urge someone to wake up in the morning. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more Chinese grammar videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.